Emile Janse. And first of all, welcome back to the Sound Healing Conference for another presentation in more sound. Emile is a graduate of the Globe Institute and has been doing throat singing for quite a few years and has gone to Tuva by Mongolia and been studying and teaching throat singing as well, and he's quite amazing. So welcome.
Thank you.
So tell us about yourself, a little more about what you're up to these days.
Nowadays, I live in Hawaii, Maui specifically, and I teach classes over video primarily in overtone singing, throat singing, and how to open up the unique voice.
Cool. I would like to do a class with you.
Yes, can
Cool.
do that. It's focus on healing and empowerment. Basically, people realizing, and I know you know this very well, David, at how the voice is the most powerful healing tool, and everyone's is unique. Everyone carries its own unique frequencies and codes, and not only is the most empowering thing for the individual to bring it into the world, but it's the most powerful and healing thing one can do for the world. So it's this perfect blend of expansion of self and highest service to the world.
Cool. I've got a question I'm asking everybody in the conference now. If you had all the money in the world, what would you do to help the planet with sound?
I would, you know, the first thing that comes to mind is this dream of gathering people in stadiums or holding stadium events of people toning together. And I think the resonance of people toning together in an intentional way is the most transformative thing I've ever seen or experienced to this day. And if people could just tune into how amazing that feels and how much it unlocks in themselves and in connection with community and the world, I think that would shift the paradigm on the planet fast.
Nice. Okay, we're set. Let's go ahead and have you do a little sound meditation for us.
Awesome. We'll do. So, if anyone who's listening, this could just take a few deep breaths. And feel into your center, feel into your heart, feel into your highest intentions, and relax. Going on a 10 to 15 minute sound journey. There's nothing you have to do except be. again. Appreciating this moment. All the sounds and healing that have happened and will happen during this conference and during your entire life. Thank you for being. Thank you for existing in this world. Thank you for bringing your unique frequencies onto the planet in everything you do. Just take a few more deep breaths, grounding and centering.
Thank you. Let us know your contact info.
Yes. My website is opentothesource.com, and all of my information is easily findable there, email and phone number.
Great. Thank you so much, Emile.
Thank you, David.
Take care.
Take care.
Okay, wanted to ask you about your special offer. What?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm doing a series online. It'll be the third run through of it, called the Online Voice Empowerment Series. And we come together on Zoom, and I guide people in what I was sharing about in the beginning of this, opening up your unique and empowered voice for healing, for expansion. And yeah, it's been really profound. I've done this workshop countless times in person and now transferred it online. Mostly the participants are muted and going over different vocal exercises in their own sphere, which is super powerful. And I give direction and answer questions. And for the first time for this series as well, I'm adding 2 individual classes with me as well. So you get the community 5 group sessions and also 2 individual sessions with me. The group sessions are 75 minutes, and they're every Monday beginning on January 13th for five times.
Cool.
Oh.
Cool.
And
And so, what might people expect to learn in the workshop?
you will learn a lot about how to feel sound in the body. One of the main distinctions I make in the sound I share is how sound is not something that is just heard, but it is felt. And once we shift our attention, because attention, that's so much what matters, once we shift our attention from sound just being something we hear into something we feel, and especially in the case of our own voice, it opens up a whole new avenue. So we stay present with that a lot, and then learn how to move energy intentionally, intuitively, and through observation, and then also how to tune into emotions, sense where they're holding energy in the body, and then move them through sound again. So guided exercise in that, and then also how to use sound to empower emotions such as love, peace, joy, something that we go over in the sound healing school as well. And
Cool.
yeah, it's accessible to everyone. You don't have to have any experience with using sound or the voice, and it is highly empowering in its own unique way to everyone. So I look forward to sharing with those who come. It's such a blessing to you and to the world to engage in this.
Great. Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay. Take care.